Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Welcome to the holiday season. And My Crafty Styles, aka Tammy, she came up with this 25 Christmas countdown crafts along and asked if I wanted to join. And I'm like, of course! Love Christmas. Christmas is my favorite holiday. I even changed the background for the season. So, we're going to do 25 projects. They consist of tags and ATC cards with a different prompt. And the first one that she came up with, which was awesome actually, was tiny Christmas cards themed. So, I got them all prepped. So, I colored a little stamp that's a fireplace. It's from a magazine I got. Here's a little fireplace. Love these magazines when I buy them. And I scanned all my little Christmas cards that my father-in-law gets in the mail. We're still going to mail for Dad. I got a few signed. Sign a few more. And I'm just writing Merry Christmas in them. Tina. This one needs it. So, are you all done Christmas shopping? I'm waiting for 2 things to come in and I am done Christmas gift shopping. Okay. There we go. There's one more little card runner on it to find. So I had 5, I believe. So, here's my tags. You're going to see a lot of these tags because I had these tags made for, I don't know why. Okay, I lost one little card. Oh, ooh, right there. And so we're going to use these. I have them made, so I might as well use them. So let's see what we got going on. Oh, looks like I was going to make some with that and change my mind. So they're already made and painted. I already did these last year, matter of fact, and I pulled them out of my bag, Rubbermaid that I keep Christmas in. So I'm going to go through, see which one pops that I want to use, and we'll make the tag. Oh, you're welcome to join us. I will have Tammy's My Crafty Styles in the description box below. So go over and check out her video, and if you would like to join, just message her in the video and she will make contact. Oh, that one I kind of like. I like them all. Just see which one I want to use. Okay. I'm going to use that one. So, you'll see these when I do the tags for this. So, this side, and let's start building a tag. So I'm going to put the fireplace on the very bottom, like that. And I know it's over a little bit, or actually, I want to do a border. Where is it? So before I get going, I want to do a border. So I'm just going to go every other color with a paint marker, just on the edge. Just doing little lines all the way around. I am sorry that this video is late, but it seems like when I was ready, the phone would ring or somebody show up at my door, and I was like, oh my lord. I'm like, I'm never going to get this video done today. Because Tammy thought of this today. That was funny. And I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll do it. So, but you know what? Sometimes that's our crafters' minds think on the moment. And it's always fun. Anyways. I know, sometimes I do stuff and they get covered and I'm like, why do I do it? Well, because then it's there. I know it's there. Do one little small mark and a green. There we go. Yeah, let's cover it anyways. So, we're going to grab the glue. It's right here. So I got this in the mail yesterday. I bought it during Black Friday. And look at what happened to my pin already. I'm so upset. So I'm hoping it's not dry. I'll put the little fireplace down. Glue it. Make sure it looks center. A little bit more. Okay. Looks good. Now I'm going to take my little Christmas cards. Just going to put a little glue on one of the corners. And I'm going to hang them. And then, so you can still see them open. We'll do this one. This one opens this way. So just put a little, same, I'm gonna have that. And we'll do the long ones. I don't think those will work. See? You can tell I'm doing this in a video. There we go. And we got one more. We'll just do the 3. And like that. On the fire mantle. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. And then for the top, let's see what I got in this bag. Happy holidays on a deer. Christmas. Holidays, not holidays. Yeah, another on that one. This pack. Merry Christmas. Holidays. And let's see. We got this. I can't remember if there's a Merry Christmas around here or not. Oh yeah, Merry Christmas. Oh, I like that one. Oh. Now, let's see. Merry Christmas, that one. This one. I'm digging the green. Happy Holidays. I think I'll stick with the Happy Holidays. Yeah, I'm liking that one. So, down. So I'll glue it down. Like so. I'm going to go around it with my black marker. Or it's just fine tip pen. nothing better. I wish I had a fireplace in my house to hang my Christmas cards at. I don't hang them on the archway going between my living room and my kitchen. Because it's the only place I could come up with. This year's dilemma is where to put the stockings, so still working on that one. I'm just sitting there right now because I don't know where to put them. So just got, where'd you put your stockings? Mom didn't have. He goes, Mom just hung them. Well, just hung them. I'm like, but where? And he goes, I don't remember. And we're gonna put a hole in here. And I got this eyelash trim sitting here. I pre-cut. Through. And let's bejeweled it some. And I'm just going to, and then I rip, or we're going to cut. We're going to cut. There. Looks good. Maybe a little chunk right there. Just cut. Put that back on there. And there is my tag for mini, tiny Christmas cards. Not mini, tiny. They're tiny. On my fire mantle. So look for tomorrow's HEC is tomorrow theme, and I'm not going to tell you the theme, so you have to come back and check it out. I will have My Crafty Styles linked in the description box below. Go over and check out her tag. It's really cute. And here's mine. So I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, and Merry Christmas.